everyone, it's Ina. Today we went on a joyride to San Jose Tarlac and are now in MUDITA Glamping Resort. This place offers interesting accommodations. Like imagine staying in a hut in the middle of the rice fields. These huts can accommodate 2 to 5 people. They also have a restaurant called Trattoria Altrov'é, which serves authentic Italian food. We are excited to try their brick oven pizza.
Wow. Good.
This is quattro formaggio.
Wow, big. Thank you.
Their pizza is so good.
So good.
Diba? Sarap.
Load my face.
Sige, okay lang.
What's the grade then? Don't judge pa.
That's order ng risotto.
Pwede tayo.
How's the food?
Very good.
The pizza?
Very good.
Excellent.
How about you, Pa?
Good. You like the carbonara ho?
Yeah.
So which is better, the carbonara and pizza of Papa or the one here?
The carbonara papa. The pizza.
Thread carefully.
The pizza's equal. Yeah.
Okay.
We just finished that hearty lunch. It was so good. My favorite probably was the 4-cheese pizza. We're just waiting for our dessert to be served. We ordered homemade gelato and cake. here in Monastario de Tarlac.